Hello, children. Hope all of you are enjoying your online classes. Let's start our today's EVS class. Today, we are going to learn about exercise and correct posture for a healthy body or for a healthy life. In our previous class, we learned or revised some healthy habits. So, let's start our today's topic. Exercise. We work all the day, but we do not use fully all the muscles of our body. Muscles, when not used, become weak. Yes, a thing which you purchased, and if you don't use it at a proper time or at the regular basis, what happened to that thing? It will be useless. The same thing applicable on our body also. If we don't use our muscles regularly, they become weak. Muscles grow stronger when we use them regularly. Yes, if you want to become a strong person, the important thing that you have to follow, that you should daily, is exercise. Exercise makes the body healthy and strong. So, we should do enough exercise daily. Yes, I hope it's clear that what is important for a healthy life or to make our muscles strong. Keep exercise daily. We should take part in PT exercises at school. Yes, in school also we can part in so many sports activities, so many PT exercises that makes our body healthy, fit and fine. There are many kinds of exercises that we can do to stay in good health. Running, walking, swimming, playing games are the examples of active exercises. रनिंग इट्स वेरी इजी टू डू. दौड़ना हम आसानी से कभी भी दौड़ सकते हैं. वॉकिंग इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ वेरी easy task to do regularly. Swimming, that also you can include in your routine life if you want to do it. Playing games, ये तो सभी को पसंद है and very easy to include all so many games in our life. But yes, games means not the mobile games. If you want to keep your body healthy, what you should do, what you have to do, just try to play some outdoor games like cricket, football, badminton, tennis. There are so many games that we can play to make our body healthy. Here are some example or some pics of exercises how you can do, and yes, it's very easy, very simple to do these exercises. Clear? Yoga is also a very good exercise for our body. Yes, yoga is also a very good part or a very good exercise that also we can include in our routine to make our body mentally and physically fit. See, these are the some example or some pics of yoga that you can do easily. आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह से बच्चे बहुत अच्छी पोजीशन लेकर योगा कर रहे हैं. योगा के लिए आपको कैसे बैठना है वो भी बताया गया है. क्लियर? नाउ posture. The way we hold our body while sitting or standing is known as our posture. The way we hold our body, how we are walking, how we are sitting, how we are standing, it is known as posture of our body. हम कैसे बैठते हैं, कैसे चलते हैं, कैसे खड़े होते हैं, ये सभी हमारी बॉडी पॉस्चर कहलाते हैं. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू मेंटेन अ गुड पॉस्चर वाइल सिटिंग, स्टैंडिंग एंड वॉकिंग. यस, आप बैठ रहे हैं तो करेक्ट पॉस्चर में बैठें. आप चल रहे हैं दैट टाइम ऑल्सो फॉलो अ करेक्ट पॉस्चर ऑफ योर बॉडी. आप जब खड़े हैं एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो यू शुड stand in a correct posture. Correct posture keeps our body in proper shape and good health. यस, आपकी बॉडी का अगर पॉस्चर करेक्ट है, इट मीन्स आपके लिए वो बहुत ही हेल्दी पार्ट है। आपका बॉडी शेप भी होगा और आपकी बॉडी हेल्दी भी रहेगी। रॉन्ग posture makes us tired quickly. Yes, if we are not sitting properly, not standing properly, not walking properly, तो what happen? We feel tired very quickly. बहुत जल्दी हम थकान महसूस करने लगते हैं। It also lead to bad health. Yes, if your posture is not correct, it lead us to bad health. हम बहुत जल्दी बीमार भी हो सकते हैं। So let's start the correct posture while sitting, standing or walking. How to sit? You should sit with your back straight. Keep your head up and shoulders straight. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Yes, so it is the correct posture. आपका बैक स्ट्रेट होना चाहिए, शोल्डर स्ट्रेट, आपके जो फीट हैं, जो पाँव हैं, वो फ्लोर को टच करने चाहिए. दिस इज़ द करेक्ट posture. आप कुछ पिक्चर्स देख सकते हैं. इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर द चाइल्ड इज सिटिंग इन अ करेक्ट posture. यस, वो बच्चा बिल्कुल करेक्ट posture में बैठा है. एंड द रेस्ट two pictures of the students, it's not a correct posture for your body. If you want a healthy and fit life, you should sit straight. You should sit in a correct posture. How to stand? Stand erect, keeping your feet about 6 inches apart. Keep your back straight, chest a little out and chin in. Put body weight evenly on your feet and not entirely on the heels or toes. Yes, आपको स्टैंड कैसे करना है. आपका जो जब आप खड़े होते हैं तो भी आपका पॉस्चर बिल्कुल करेक्ट होना चाहिए. आपको बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट, अपना बैक स्ट्रेट रखना है. आपकी जो बॉडी का वेट है वो आपके फीट पर, आपके पाँवों पर होना चाहिए, ना कि आपकी हील्स और टोज़ पर, अंगूठों पर या एड़ियों पर नहीं. आपकी बॉडी वेट किस पे होना चाहिए? आपके पाँवों पर. तो कैसे बैठना है? जस्ट सी सम मोर पिक्चर्स दैट हेल्प यू to know about the correct posture of sitting. Now move to the next, how to walk. While walking, keep your body straight. Hold your head high and chest out. Put your knees and ankles free. Swing your arms freely. Clear? How to walk? कैसे आपको चलना है? While you are walking, keep your body straight. Hold your head high and chest out. Okay? Knees and ankles को फ्री रखना है. बिल्कुल आप अपने हाथों को एकदम फ्री रखिए. And swing your arms freely, ताकि आप अपने हाथों को, अपने हैंड्स को अच्छे से मूव कर सके. Correct posture make you active and smart. Yes, if your body move in a correct posture, it help you to be smart and active. इससे आप एक्टिव रहेंगे और स्मार्ट भी बनेंगे. So I hope all of you understand about the correct posture and importance of exercise for a healthy life. Just recall some points that we have learned in this chapter. We must form good and healthy habits to stay fit and fine. Exercise makes the body healthy and strong, so we should do exercise daily. Correct posture keeps our body in proper shape and good health. Clear to everyone? Now you can see the correct posture for walking. आपको कैसे अपनी बॉडी का posture रखना है जब भी आप वॉक कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? इस पिक्चर से क्लियरली आपको समझ आ गया है. So now read this chapter twice or thrice times. 2 या 3 बार आप इसकी proper reading करेंगे. If you find any difficulty, you can discuss again. If any problem you feel, just listen this video 2 to 3 times. Okay, and after that we will discuss few objective type questions, then fill in the blanks, etc. But before, what you have to do, you have to read the complete chapter twice or thrice time. 2 या 3 बार आप इस चैप्टर को प्रॉपरली रीड करेंगे ताकि चैप्टर आप और अच्छे से समझ सकें. थैंक यू.